welcome back to our channel. Your bicycle is 5 years. To do that, you need to get a good balance. White electrical filing on also is completely DIY. So you have budget fund, so you can fix your budget in 5 years. So we show how. So here maybe there is a hole. You can check in 5 years. Maybe the medical is bottom. Yes, I am until is only by K. Yeah, guys. The magic of the keys. So just the fun. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, because if you wait the other people, you put a judgment, then I'll encourage your own. Perfectly. Okay, the first one is 70 seconds with yes. Second one is only with 0% to slide. CI, one of them, Gana. I'll give it away. All this bike, maybe I want to give away. I don't know. If we do 50K. Okay, only 0.7. 0.5. No, we need 2.4 now. I need 2.4. Not bad. I took just 5 minutes. Boy, you can use a map. Just to click like this. You lubricate a little with that oil, olive oil. Put 5 in your kitchen perfectly away. So you have a bicycle ready to use. Very ready to go. So I know we are waiting. That is the best way. The best way. So there is also other stuff that is fixed like that, and we are waiting on the production. There is also our friend the 𝐵𝐷𝐿. The friend 𝐵𝐷𝐿 reported. So this is good also for little train your body, So if you have a bicycle, you have to train your body. your body. Remember, your body is a temple. Show someone in the body. Don't clean. So in fact, it is DIY. It's not a sponsorship. It's just a happy project that I'm planning from it to making videos, to record display to the next generation how to clean the bike. Good. Vedete che crea un po'. Crea un po'. For the ankle, the nose. I want to show how to do a good boy. Yeah. Need it. So, siccome you like too much, instead of do the 5 minute DIY, you take a little more time. Like the heart, that is the carrot, the best printer. You print your bicycle like your printer. It is ready to go. Ready to go everywhere. Your DIY. Allora, the inventor of the bicycle, you know it? From what country? There is a question riddle. In the comment, who invented the bicycle? There is an inventor. Okay. So who is the inventor of the bike? The bicycle, not the bike there in the garage. So every time it's ready. Ok, so è arrivato di lei. La manutenzione del bike Magic. Thank you guys, see you next DIY.